And it's now time for Reshma's Beauty Tip of the Week. And today I'm going to talk about two ingredients that we all are familiar with, honey and lemon. So when it comes to natural ingredients for skincare, honey and lemon are two powerful components that have been used for ages. They're packed with beneficial properties. Both lemon and honey offer a range of advantages for your face. And that's why today we're going to talk about Reshma Beauty's Honey and Lemon Face Wash, which combines the benefits of both honey and lemon to offer natural and effective cleansing solution. But before I start, do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you can get regular notifications. So this face wash naturally combines the natural properties of honey and lemon to provide potential benefits for your face. Here's what each ingredient brings to the table. Honey. It's been known for centuries and used in skincare due to its numerous potential benefits. It's known for its moisturizing properties, which can help hydrate and nourish the skin. Honey also contains antioxidants that help protect the skin from free radicals and environmental damage. It also has many antimicrobial properties as well, which aid in combating bacteria and soothing certain skin conditions. So if you like honey, I would also suggest you try our honey peel-off mask. You just spread it all over, indulge in the smell of honey, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, and peel off all that dead skin and have a glowing complexion. Well, what about lemon? It's a citrus fruit that we all know, and it's very rich in vitamin C, which is excellent for your skin and a very powerful antioxidant because vitamin C can help brighten the skin, promote a more even skin tone, and potentially reduce appearance of dark spots or any hyperpigmentation. Lemon also contains natural exfoliating properties which help remove dead skin cells and improve the overall texture of your skin. And when combined together, they work even better because they have potential benefits for your face like moisturization and nourishment. And it's also a gentle exfoliator, which is also great for your skin, especially in these hot summer months. I also particularly like the fact that it's brightening to the skin, and you know it's good for you and we're ingesting it in our system. Vitamin C is excellent for your health overall. And another nice thing is that because it's natural, it really is suitable for all skin types, whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin. It helps balance the skin's moisture levels while providing gentle yet effective cleansing. And another added benefit is that honey and lemon combined together, even in water, is excellent for your health. You can do it every single day because they're nature's best kept secrets. And if you like this video, please do comment down here and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.